You have the right to perform your actions, but you are not entitled to the fruit of your actions, says the Bhagavad Gita. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today I would like to speak upon the topic power of truth. Standing in the 21st century, this might seem an insignificant thing. In a world of fierce competitiveness, truth only means just a deduction, but I can assure and reassure you that it is more than that. It is an art of living a better life. Truth has a pivotal role in the present world in shaping business proposals. We say that we need to develop economically, but we need to understand that for building startups and entrepreneurship builders, we have to have a nation with a core value that is truth. If we need to mold great personal relationships, we have to have truth as our core value, as a pivotal human being, as a typical human being thriving this earth. Even human integrity is based upon the factor truth. Taking the examples of people who led notable lives like Mahatma Gandhi, who himself had a notion of truth that was to contributing to his nation through many struggles that ultimately led to creating a country like India. Truth can also mean uplifting weaker sections of society, like Begum Rukia Shakawat did by speaking for women's education, like Savitri Bhai Phule, who was the first female teacher in India and is known as the mother of Indian feminism, or be it any other person who spoke or is speaking for weaker sections of the society. It can also mean in a manner to protect its people, like Rani Lakshmi Bai, who protected her country, Jhansi, who worked for the freedom of India, like the army men in our borders who are protecting their country, even by giving and sacrificing their own lives. Truth can also have such a different notion. Even being a master of guerrilla warfare, being the father of Indian Navy can also mean that. Even respecting women can also mean that. That is what we obtain from the life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. At the end of the day, I need to give you a gentle reminder that truth is not just whole about only speaking truthful things. It can also mean something bigger than that. It can be a way of life. It can strengthen what we have at our core. It can create a meaningful human being. If we live a truthful life, then we could lead a better life and leave our mark on the earth. We human beings have only one life. Live it to the fullest, and live it to the fullest by using core principles that could create a great human being. Satyameva Jayate. Thank you.